Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the topic measures of central tendency, and in that we have to discuss mean, median and the mode. The Simpson and Kafka defined it as a measure of central tendency is a typical value around which other figures of the data congregate. Measures of central tendency are statistical measures which describe the position of distribution. They are also called statistics of location and are the complement of statistics of dispersion, which provide information concerning variance or distribution of observations. In univariate context, the mean, median, and mode are the most commonly used measures of central tendency. Computable values on a distribution that discuss the behavior of the center of distribution. Then, what is the arithmetic mean? It is the average score. Arithmetic mean is a mathematical average and it is the most popular measure of central tendency. It is simply the sum of number divided by the number of numbers in a set of data. This is also known as average and it is frequently referred to as a mean. It is obtained by dividing the sum of the values of all the observation in a series, that is summation of x, by the number of atoms that equal to the n constituting the series, assuming that each observation is equally significant or equally important. Thus, the mean of set of number x1, x2, x3 up to xn denoted by x bar or x raised to bar and is defined as mean is equal to sum of the atoms divided by number of the atoms that equal to summation of x divided by n. This mean is equal to what? X bar that equal to summation of x divided by n, that is the number of atoms. What are advantages of mean? It is easy to understand and simple to calculate. It is based on all the values, means all the values are taken into consideration for calculating the mean. The calculation is easy and it is well defined. It is easy to understand the arithmetic average even if some of the details of the data are lacking. It is not based on the position in the series and it is used for statistical calculations. Then the disadvantages of mean. It is affected by the extreme values. It cannot be calculated for open-end classes. It cannot be located graphically. It gives misleading calculations. It has upward bias and it gives absurd values. For example, the mean children in family is given sometimes 2.5 children. That is practically not possible. So these are the what the disadvantages of mean. Then the measures of central tendency, the mean, the average score of the mean is sensitive to extreme score. For example, we are having the value 1 to 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The mean is equal to summation of all values divided by the 10, that equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10, that equal to 55 divided by n, that equal to 55 divided by 10, that equal to 5.5 is the what the mean. The In the second example, the value is 1 to 9, these values are the same, but the last value 20 is the extreme value, that is 20, and mean for this that equal to the 6.5. Then in the third example, the last value is 100 and that is the extreme value, and instead of what by the change in the single value, the mean is changed up to the what that is the 14.5. So it is sensitive to extreme score. The median remains the same. That is in all the examples. Then the example, the weight of 10 fishes in grams is given below, find the mean. That is the first fish to 10 fish and the weight in grams. Add all the values to find the summation of x. Divide the summation of x by the total number of atoms, that is 12 plus 15 plus 11 plus. When you sum it all, it will become the what summation of x, that equal to 150 divided by the how many fishes, the 10 fishes. 150 divided by 10, that equal to 15 grams is a mean weight of the fish. Then these are the what the sample of the 10 trees randomly selected from the battle park, and these are the diameter of these plant or the trees, and you have to calculate the mean. What you have to do here, that you have to sum it all and divide it by the 10. That you have to do yourself and calculate the mean. The next is example third, that 5 plus, calculate the what, that is the mean for this, that is 2 plus 2 5 9 3 5 7 4. You have to sum it all, and what is the number of the elements in the data of set, that is the 7, that is divided by 7, that equal to the what, that is a 5. The next is the what, the frequency distribution. When the what, that is and when the frequency given is given, how you have to calculate, you have to calculate the mean by multiplying it with a what, that is the summation of fx divided by n. Yeah, so this is the age of the student in a class. What the those student having the age 11, these are the 7, having the 12, that is 19, then 13 10 and 14 4. Find out their mean age. What you have to do, you have to multiply this, that is what, fx. Fc means this is the x and f, that is what, 11 into 7 plus 12 into 19 plus 13 into 10 plus 14 into 4, and divided by how much, that is what, frequency, fx. Then that frequency, that will be the total 40, and therefore by calculating this or multiplying and dividing it by 40, you will get the 12.3. That is the 12.3 is the mean age or the average age of the student in a class. Then this is the for continuous data, that is 36 to 40, 41 to 45, like that. This is a continuous frequency or continuous data, and that is the frequency. You have to that is what calculated the mean, what, that is a weight, what you have to, and this is a what, frequency. What, whenever the what continuous series is there, you have to calculate the mean of this 36 and 40, that is 38, then 43, then 48, then 55 plus 50, 51 plus 55 divided by 2, that equal to 53, then 58, 63. Now you have to multiply this. This is the x and this f. 38 into 2, that plus 43 into 8 plus 48 into 11 plus 53 plus 12 plus 58 plus 13 plus 63 into 4 divided by the total frequency. That frequency, the total sum of these all, 2 8 11 12 13 4, that equal to 50, and therefore mean weight, that equal to 51.8. So this is the what, how you have to calculate the mean for the continuous. Then what is the average income of the people in the cities A, B and C? This is the number of population, and the what, that is the average income. So you have to multiply these 23,000 by this number 1 lakh, then you have to multiply plus, you have to multiply what, the 20,000 by 50,000, and you have to multiply 25,000 by 1 lakh 50,000, and divided by what, that is a 3 lakhs. So whatever the you will get, it will be the what, your annual income, that is the average income of the people. Then the what, the median. Next, that is the what, measure of central tendency is a median. The median is the what, the value that lies at the what, that is the center or the middle after ranking all the scores. Then the corner has defined as, the median is that value of the variable which divides the group into two equal parts. one part comprising of all values greater and other part all values less than the median. So median is the central value of distribution or the value which divide the distribution in equal parts, each part containing equal number of atoms. Thus, it is the central value of the variable when the values are arranged in order of magnitude. Means either you have to arrange the values in ascending or descending order. The median is the number present in the middle when the numbers in a set of data are arranged in either ascending or descending order. If the numbers in a data set is even, then median is the mean of the two medial values. Then calculation of median, arrange the data in ascending or descending order, then calculate the cumulative frequencies, apply the formula, and it is represented by symbol MD, that is for median. What are the advantages of median? Median can be calculated in all distributions. It can be understood even by common people. Median can be ascertained even with extreme atoms. It can be located graphically. It is most useful dealing with qualitative data. Median is equal to value of n plus 1 divided by tooth atom, where n is equal to number of the atom. If there are odd number of atoms, then median is calculated as follows. Median is equal to 11 plus 1 by 2 equal to what? The 6. Median value is the what, that is a sixth atom when the atoms are arranged in a what, that is ascending order. When there are even number of atoms, the median falls between two atoms. The values of these two atoms are added and divided by 2 to get the median. If there are 12 atoms, then median is calculated as a what? The 12 plus 1 divided by 2, that equal to 13 by 2, that equal to 6.5. Thus, median value of the 6.5th atom, it is obtained by adding the value of, that is the 6th and 7th atom. Whatever the 6th and 7th atom is there, you have to sum it and then divide it by 2. The median of group data with class interval calculated by the formula, that is median is equal to L plus in whole square in bracket, that is n by 2 minus Cf divided by f n to the what, that is the C, that where the L is equal to lower limit of median class, n is the number of observation, Cf is the cumulative frequency of class, f is the frequency of median class, and C is the class size. What are the merits of median? It is very simple to understand and easy to calculate. In some cases, it is obtained simply by inspection. Median lies at the middle part of the series and hence it is not affected by the what, that is the extreme values. Then median can be calculated in all distributions. Median can be understood even by common people. It can be ascertained even with extreme atoms. It can be located graphically and it is most useful dealing with qualitative data. Then disadvantages of mean. In simple series, the atom value have to be arranged, and if series contains large number of atoms, then the process becomes tedious. It is a less representative average because it does not depend on all atoms in the series. It is not capable of further algebraic treatment. For example, you cannot find a combined median of two or more groups if the median of different groups are given. It is affected more by sampling fluctuation than the mean, as it is concerned with only one atom, that is the middle atom, and it is not rigidly defined. What is the, now we have to observe the problem. You have to calculate the median, that is 8, 4, 2, 6, 10. Either you have to arrange it in order that is ascending or descending. That is we have ordered arranged it in a what, that is ascending order, 2, 4, 6, and 10. The middle is as is the odd number, the what, that is a fifth, and the n is equal to 5, and therefore 5 plus 1 divided by 2, that equal to third atom, and third atom is the what, that is a 6, and therefore median for this problem is a 6. Then the train tree is randomly selected from the pattern and you have to calculate the median. In median you have to arrange all these values in a ascending order and ascending order these 10 values, and therefore the what it will be the what that is of the value that is a total of the value of that is a this fifth and the sixth value, and that is 13.9 and 14.5. Total of this divided by 2, that equal to 14.2 is the what that is a median. Then the mode. What is the mode? The mode is a very simple. It is a distribution value at the point armed with the atom tend to most heavily concentrated. Means such an atom which is frequently repeated. That we called it as a what the mode. Croxton and the Cowden defined the mode of distribution is a value at the point armed with the atom tend to most heavily concentrated, and it may be regarded as the most typical of series of values. Mode is the value that occurs most frequently in a set of data. Mode is the most frequent value or score in a distribution. Such a value which is repeating many times. The mode is simply the value of relevant variable that occurs most often. That is, it has highest frequency in the sample. It is denoted by capital letter Z and the highest point of frequency distribution curve. What are the advantages of mode? The mode is radially comprehensible and easily calculated. It is the best representative of data. It is not at all affected by extreme value. The value of mode can also be determined graphically, and it is usually an actual value of an important part of the series. Then we come to the disadvantage of mode. It is not based on all observation. It is not capable of further mathematical manipulation. Mode is affected to a great extent by sampling fluctuation, and choice of grouping has great influence on the value of mode. Now you have to calculate here the mode. That is a data set. Here you can observe the what that is a what is the mode 2593547, which the that is the what which value is repeating more times, appearing more times the 5. 5 is appearing 2 times, and therefore mode for this is the what 5. In example 2, the 2523547. Here the what that is a 5 appears the what that is a twice time, and therefore that is what the and the what again these 2 it appears twice times, and therefore two modes are there, that is the 2 and the 5, that is the two modes. Then this table shows the number of mobile phones owned by 100 families. That is what this family, the these two families having the two mobiles each, six families having the three mobile in their family, 38 having the 4, 16 having the 5, 20 people families having 6, and 18 having the 7. What will be the mode? What will which value are the which is the mode more frequently? That is what this 38 is the frequency much more, and therefore the mode is what will be the mode that is a 4. So the most mode is the most frequent data in set of data. Therefore, mode is equal to the 4. Then this is the frequency distribution of time spent by Kelly on waiting for the bus last week. That is for 1 to 5 minutes. That is what this class mark, and the what that is how you have to calculate the what that is. The word for frequency that you have to what here the what this is a continuous data, and therefore we have taken the what that is a median 3, then 8, 13, 18, and 20. In way 21 plus 25 divided by 2 23, 16 plus 20 divided by 2 18. Likewise 1 plus 5 6 divided by 2 that equal to 3, and frequency days. And now we have to calculate the what that is a where the what you have that is the what maximum frequency is there, and the model class is the most frequent class in a data set, that is what the set of data, and it is how much, that is a 6 to 10. The frequency is how much, that is a what the 15 times, and therefore the model frequency is 6 to 10. That is the model class is what that is a 6 to 10 minute is a mode, that is for frequency. Then frequency distribution of the time spent by 80 students in finishing a 3000-meter track. This is also continue and data, and therefore we are converting it into the what class mark, that is 10 plus 15 that equal to the what and divided by 2. That so this is about the middle entry, and the what this is the frequency. Here the what the two frequencies 14 and the 14, these are the what repeating, and therefore two groups, that is 21 to 25 and 26 to 30, these are the what the two modal classes are there. So these are the what the two modal classes or the two modes for this problem. So this is regarding the what that is a measures of central tendency. How you have to calculate the what that is a measures of central tendency. What are the what the that is advantages and distribution disadvantages of these. Thank you.